How to fix Discord not opening on PC. Hello and welcome back everybody. If Discord is not opening on PC, let's go step by step. Most of the time it is one of these, so you can follow out this method. So if you have opened up Discord on your device, sometimes the Discord is running in the background but not showing. So what we can do instead is we can close this up, go to our task manager, type in Windows plus X and look out for our task manager, hit enter. And once we go to our task manager, we can look out for the Discord option directly here. Find it up, right click on it, select the option for end task for there, and try opening up Discord once again. Apart from that, we can restart PC. So it sounds very basic, but this is one of the most working solution. This fixes stuck background processes, so you can restart your device and open Discord before opening anything else. And apart from that, we can clear the Discord cache. So for that, press Windows plus R, and there we can just go and type in person app data, and person. After that, hit enter and open up the Discord folder here. Once you find Discord folder, open it up and there delete everything inside. Do not worry, it is very safe. You can just go and delete everything and press Windows plus R again once you've deleted it. Windows plus R, and this time type in person local app data and type in person and hit enter. You need to type in this local app data. So type in local app data and hit enter. And there you can get for Discord folder here. Open it up and delete everything inside here as well. And restart your PC and open up Discord once again. If nothing else, you can run Discord as administrator. Find Discord on your PC screen. Right click on it. Select the option for run as administrator for that. And do it, and that should probably work out for you. Apart from that, if you have any antivirus, you can just go over and disable it temporarily and try opening up Discord. If it opens, you can add Discord to exceptions. And that's it. Usually these are the solutions you can follow up if you'd like to fix that issue of Discord not opening on PC, and let us know in the comments. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.